Welcome to the SINOBALER lifting chamber baler. Used clothes baling demonstration. In textile recycling and second-hand clothing operations, loose garments are bulky, difficult to handle, and costly to transport. The SINOBALER lifting chamber baler provides an efficient solution by compressing used clothes into dense uniform bales for easy storage, handling, and shipment. The following video demonstrates the used clothes and rags baling process. Step 1. Loading used clothes. Firstly, bale wrapping materials are prepared. Either plastic bags or plastic sheets, as well as woven bags or woven sheets, can be used as wrapping material. Operators load sorted garments directly into the lifting chamber. The wide chamber opening allows operators to feed large volumes of garments quickly without pre-cutting or pre-processing. Step 2. Chamber lifting and compression. The operator starts the compression cycle using the electric control system. The machine is operated easily through buttons and switches that control both platen movement and chamber lifting. The powerful hydraulic ram compresses the clothes vertically, ensuring even pressure distribution throughout the bale. Clothes are compacted evenly inside the chamber. Multiple compression cycles may be applied to achieve maximum density and increase bale weight, improving transportation efficiency and reducing logistics costs. Once loading is completed, wrapping sheet is covered to protect textile materials from getting damp, dusty, or stained during storage and transportation. With a simple press of a button, final compression will be started and the chamber lifts automatically, allowing operators to perform strapping conveniently and efficiently. Step 3. Bale tying. The operator secures the bale using wrapping materials, strapping wires, or pet straps. This maintains a stable bale shape during handling and export. The adjustable bale height feature allows operators to produce different bale sizes and weights according to shipping requirements or customer needs. Cross-strapping is then applied to make tighter and tidier bales, ensuring stable shape and easier handling during transport. Step 4. Bale discharge. After cross-strapping is completed, the lifting chamber platen moves upward, and the operator manually pushes the bale out to complete the bale discharge.